Artificial intelligence is changing the world of marketing, fast. But here's the truth. AI alone can't create a legendary ad campaign. It needs human creativity behind it. Today, we're breaking down 3 ways top companies like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and even a small Chicago brand are using AI to supercharge their marketing, making ads more personal, more global, and a whole lot more fun. Let's dive in. Meets Jeppson's Malort, a Chicago liqueur famously known for, tasting terrible. Instead of hiding from that reputation, the ad agency Quality Meats leaned into the joke. They asked real drinkers, what does Malort taste like? The goal? Write the funniest responses right onto the bottles. Perfect for gag gift season. But there was a problem. Small budget, only enough to ask people in 2 bars. Enter AI. Using AI tools, they crowdsource honest and brutal reactions from all over the country, saving time, travel costs, and exploding creativity. A viral product refresh based on real consumer voices. This is the power of AI. It doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. Now, let's talk about Coca-Cola. They partnered with League of Legends to launch a new flavor, Coca-Cola Ultimate. Using Akool's AI technology, fans scanned a QR code on the bottle and instantly transformed into a character from the game. 80 countries, millions engaged. People weren't just drinking Coke, they were becoming part of the brand universe. Personalization equals emotional connection. And emotional connection equals brand passion and massive viral reach. Want to take your brand worldwide? AI is your passport. Akool works with MUFG Bank, the biggest bank in Japan. Their executives only speak Japanese, but AI translates in real time for global employees and social media markets. Brands and influencers now update content for different languages and dialects, instantly. Instead of one market, you open the door to many. AI isn't here to replace the human spark. It's here to help you ignite bigger ideas, reach more fans, and compete with the giants. Jonathan King said it best. AI is a tool to help creativity, not replace it. And Akool's CEO, Jeff Liu, warns, don't wait, just do it. So, if you want more efficient, more personal, and more global marketing, AI isn't optional. It's your advantage. If you want more powerful AI marketing breakdowns, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which strategy are you trying first?